Okay, welcome to the phylum Echinodermata. This is, of course, a starfish model, and we are going to look at the internal and external anatomy of a starfish. This is class Asteroidea. And so we'll do digestive system, reproductive system, and water vascular system. Okay, let's do water vascular system first. Okay, so this part externally, we can see it right here. This is the madreporite. Sometimes it's called the sieve plate, but I want you to know it as madreporite. And it really is, it's this meshwork, and it has little tiny holes in it that allows seawater in, but keeps the sand and other kind of stuff out. And if I go down from, okay, I got to take apart, I got to take off the stomach. Okay, hold on. Because I want to be able to follow, and we'll come back and do digestive system. All right, so I'm going to tilt this so that you can see it. Okay, from the madreporite, which is right here, water is going to enter in this blue line, this blue canal right here, and that is called the stone canal. The stone canal brings water in. Now I'm going to set it down again to the ring canal. Madreporite, stone canal, ring canal. Now we have that pentaradial symmetry, so down each arm, and we see that this has been all removed in here so that we can really see inside. We're going to go from ring canal down, the radial canal is going to go down each arm. Now it goes inside this part here, which is called the ambulacral ridge. Okay, and we can see that the ring canal goes underneath it, so we can't, it hides. But the ring canal continues, and the ring canal is going to go to each of these blue dots. These are called ampulla. Madreporite, stone canal, ring canal, radial canal, ampulla. And ampulla is going to squeeze, and it's going to send water into, ready? The tube feet. So the tube feet are found on the oral side of the animal. Okay, and those are the tube feet. So the tube feet are going to be used to, well, walk the animal around, just like feet are, but they're also used for feeding. And so they're going to grab a hold of a clam and pull the clam open just a little bit, enough to shove the stomach into the clam and start digesting it. So it doesn't have to hold that clam open very far. And so this opening here is actually the mouth. Okay? So food is going to go into here, and when it goes into here, turn the model back over, put my stomach back in. Okay, yes, once I get it in there, put my little, there we go, careful, there. Okay, so this is the stomach. Yes, there's different parts of the stomach, and so the different colors here do represent different parts, but nonetheless, we're going to call this the stomach, okay? So the stomach, and attached to the stomach, and we're still showing green, that's for really the digestive system. These are the digestive glands, and there would be digestive glands sitting in each arm. So again, that pentaradial symmetry, we have it repeating among each arm, but this model just shows it in one arm, okay, just to kind of help us out. I'll move it like that so you can see a little bit better. Okay, so digestive gland into the stomach, digestion occurs, and then waste products are going to be released from the animal through this opening here, and that's the anus. Okay, so that's going to be right along the top here, and so water washing over the animal is going to take the waste material away. So we have the oral side and then the aboral side. Oral is where the mouth is. And so this here is the anus. Now, it's not perfect. You don't want to get any of that waste material into the madreporite, but at least you're not eating stuff that you don't want. Ugh. All right, what else do we have going on inside here? Well, we do see that along in what I like to call the armpits, right, because we have two arms here. This would, well, okay, it's not really quite an armpit, but nonetheless, so these little structures right along here, those are the gonads. And we don't know if it's eggs or sperm, so we don't know if they're ovaries or testes, so we just call them gonads all along here. So there would be another one here and another one here. Again, you have two of them per arm as we go around. All right, anything else you have to know about this? I think we have covered all the parts. This model does have a cross-section of the arm that we can see right here. And what I like about this is that it at least gives us where we can see the endoskeleton. And so that's going to be the hard part here, the yellow. We see digestive gland in green. We can see the ampulla, and that's what I like. I like being able to see that water vascular system. So it's going to go from radial canal to the ampulla, from ampulla down the tube feet. And that's just nice to be able to see. This cross-section of the arm slide usually gets kind of obliterated. So if you have to know it, you can just know it from this model.